What's up, everybody? It's Chris from Chris Does Things, and we're in Oklahoma City at RAMSAY'S Kitchen, which is the new restaurant from Gordon Ramsay. Really excited that they're here in Oklahoma City. Let's get inside and take a look at everything they have to offer. All right, so everything was really good. We got the burger and we got fish and chips, which was excellent. We had Gordon Ramsay fish and chips in Vegas, and this was definitely upscale from that. Not quite as good as Gordon Ramsay steak that's at the Paris, Las Vegas, but I wouldn't expect this. So this is going to be somewhere in between kind of the fast casual and then the extreme fine dining. But they do have beef Wellington. We didn't get it tonight because they only do it for dinner. We're here a little bit earlier than that, but overall, really excellent experience. If you like this video and you want to see more food reviews, make sure you give this a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you.